Hey everyone, it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I wanted to take a minute to share with you a real quick ruler work tutorial for how to use a circle in a circle ruler, right? So this is one of our Bold Notion Border Buddy rulers. Super cool one because it's got stuff to use as an arc ruler in addition to inner circle templates and the full outer circle template, which is super cool. Okay, they are puzzle rulers that are created to work around your quilting machine. So with your machine stopped and your needle down, you are able to go ahead and put this puzzle together so that you can put it around your foot and you can quilt around where your foot is already. But without further ado, let's take a look at some really cool free motion quilting ruler work designs using a circular ruler. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try to stitch a kind of serpentine circle in a circle design. So you're going to I've kind of just found the middle. You can barely see it with the lines, but I just kind of drew like a simple wave, and I'm trying to line up my 90 or my 45s together with where one part of the wave goes and the other part of the wave goes. The tough part about that is if I have to line it up a certain way, sometimes that circle could come outside of my sashing, and that's not what I want it to do. So we got to line up the biggest one in line first. If you wanted to, you could line up and do, because these are puzzle rulers, you can take them apart and do them however you want. I could go ahead and line up my lines, and I could do a secondary circle inside of there if I wanted to. Come back down to the end, and then we're going to do our next circle. So remember, when we're stitching, this can't be farther than 1/4 of an inch apart. So we're gonna have to stitch that. We have to come back around on our circle so we can move it in more. Alright. And I'm not holding down both pieces of my ruler, and I should be. We're gonna take this one and we're gonna put a little baby one inside of there, because that's fun. You just gotta line it up so no part of the baby circle is gonna come out of the medium circle. Stop back by where they touch. Move this back so you can follow it around. Okay, and then the cool thing about the little one and the medium one is that they can kind of swivel around a little bit more. So if I wanted to fill that space, I could just slide it over this way. Just make sure it's not going to stitch anywhere inside of my medium circle. Alright, then we're going to switch back to our medium. I like to hold on both my puzzle pieces, makes it super easy. If you wanted to put that little baby circle in there, you could. And I'm just going to keep doing this all the way around. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial for how to do something a little more fun in your sashing with a Bold Notion Border Buddy circle ruler. And it's fantastic little circle templates on the inside. They're made to be used with, it's like a scant 1, 2, and 3 inch seam. And you can find out more information on boldnotionquilting.com. Thanks y'all for joining me. Take care and happy quilting, y'all. Bye.